with an embrace that is warm and wide enough to span the world. A place for those who shed sweat to rest in happiness. A place of evergreen summer forest, Harim. Harim is the name of abundance, forming true value of existence. Starting as a little dream of a country boy, Harim Group began as a poultry farm in 1978 and later developed into a protein-specialized company based on feed and livestock. Since then, the company has expanded into the shipping industry and grain distribution through diversification as a means to stand tall as a global agri-food enterprise that embraces everything from the procuring of raw materials for food to manufacture, distribution, and sales. The passion of 14,000 employees of 60 domestic and foreign sites contributed to helping the company grow into Korea's market leader in the field of chicken, brand pork, feed, and dry cargo shipments, making present-day Harim Group the leading company in total assets and sales within the industry. Harim Corporation, JO Feed, NS Home Shopping, Sunjin, Farmsco, Pan Ocean, and Alim Harim of the US are the 7 main affiliations that represent Harim Group. These family companies complete Harim Group's 7 business fields of grain distribution, shipping, feed, livestock, slaughter and processing, food manufacturing, and distribution and sales. Pan Ocean, Korea's leading bulk specializing company. Pan Ocean is the first Korean company to advance into the international grain distribution industry, which has been a long sought-after desire of the nation and the industry of Korea, as a nation highly dependent on foreign food supplies. It has imported 78 million tons of dry cargo domestically and internationally in 2015, and brought a historic moment for being the first company to unload directly procured corn at Incheon port. Pan Ocean is a bulk specializing shipping firm with a fleet of 200 building berths, transporting grain, iron ore, coal, and wood pulp domestically as well as worldwide, thereby becoming increasingly responsible for the vitality of the shipping industry and grain distribution of Harim Group. Harim Group is devoted to optimizing the feed that livestock feeds upon. Over 3.4 million tons of farmland feed are produced annually in 11 formulated feed mills located nationwide. Harim has been operating the only complex research center in Korea with the same intent and ideals when it first started its feed business in Korea, eventually driving the feed industry of Korea. Harim Group has partnered with 1,500 sites of poultry and pig farms, along with 35 farms of direct management, and 7 hatcheries that are operating nationwide. It is also Harim Group's duty to provide veterinary medication and services and modern breeding management programs to these farms. 280 million chickens, which is 30% of the chicken being produced in Korea, are being raised by Harim Group. The most advanced breeding pig farm is operated with a complete disinfection prevention system in the heart of the mountains while providing the self-developed state-of-the-art farm facility, harmonizing the environment with the animal welfare. The operation of 11 slaughter manufacturing factories and 3 meat processing factories nationwide completes the bridge from livestock farming to slaughter and processing. Harim Group's food manufacturing department leads the domestic market and satisfies consumers with its pork brand of High Pork and Sunjin pork, along with its 700 varieties of chicken products. Harim Group will continue to strive for quality products of a wide diversity in the future, based on the love and trust of its consumers. NS Home Shopping, the food specialty channel that is playing a huge role in the distribution and sales department of Harim Group. NS Home Shopping goes beyond being a food specialty channel to expand its fields of food production, building the largest food processing complex within the nation. It also plans to build an urban high-tech distribution complex to usher in a new era of 3-hour delivery to consumers in metropolitan areas. The completion of its development will result in the combination of online and offline delivery systems to attain the highest competitiveness within the industry. It is not an easy task for any company to be equipped with and to manage a vast and exquisite food supply chain that it spans from harvesting grain to what eventually goes on your table. There's only one reason why Harim Group dares to embark on such a challenge: to deliver the safest, freshest, best quality food to its consumers. Freshness is indeed the most precious value that Harim strives to maintain the health and happiness of consumers. Harim Group has emerged into global comprehensive food company from being the leading protein food company in the country. Harim manages feed mills, grain manufacturing plants, and farms in the United States, China, the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Myanmar. Allen Harim Foods of the US has become a vital and meaningful business, as it was the first attempt for a Korean company to expand to the US, the heart of the world's poultry industry. As a result of the effort to globalize traditional food, samgyetang started to be successfully exported to the US in 2014, followed by its success in China. Harim Group has become the first company in the nation to export our samgyetang to those two major markets. Ensuring the happiness of pets and their partners is also one of the values that is cherished by Harim Group. A modern factory exclusive for pet food in Gwangju, Cheongnam. Possessing high-tech equipment and facilities, factory produces and manages products just as safety and hygienically as food manufactured for humans, from raw food materials to processing and distribution. Harim Group also carries out the financial responsibility bestowed to the company by holding ethics in high regard through diverse social contribution activities. Harim continuously aspires to realize the health and happiness of its consumers. The path of Harim has helped write a new history in the food industry of Korea. Now, Harim sets forth into the world for a new future of the company. We aim to share greater happiness with a wider amount of people. We aim to stand proudly in the world with our food and culture. Harim aims to walk hand in hand with global citizens.